All of them fucker just corrupt my badness. When it come on to me love life, I'ma just feel like a waste man. Me there I live my life, I feel like a waste man. And me no do, all me do is just try to be great. All me do is just try to focus on the right things them in a fucking life. But yes, still me are the waste man. And you know them way there. I'm there just to try to strive like everybody else. But yes, still. Just still, right? You're the bad guy, right? You still me the scammer. Why the fuck you not talk about the strength when me give you them? Why the fuck nobody not talk about that? Everybody a talk about all of the fuck where Tavii deal with Chargy. And not talk about the good way me a do. And make me a look bad, bro. Me give him my fucking money, dog. Me supposed to be the richest fucking content creator right now. Oh, me not rich. Come me give him my fucking money. Me give him my fucking money, dog. People will see me. Them see me, I do my thing. See me upon life, I do my thing. Una ask me, una there say support me. Them found after I come ask me for a thing, bro. And me with my fucking art, the kindness when I have in my fucking art, I gotta give them my fucking money. And then with the kindness of them art, turn around and fuck with me Chargy. Me fucked up right now. Me feel like me feel like me in a regret. And me feel like say me make a fucking mistake. I feel like I make a mistake and help people where now got dead it for me, when we really dead it for me, bro. I'ma give it hundreds of thousands of dollars, dog. And then them same people, bro, style me, bro. And people just keep on a fucking use me and a style me. I'ma allow people to style me. That's why I'm telling you, say anything wanna give me, man, nah, give nobody, brother. That's why I said that to you. And them know some dep on them meds, bro. Them know some dep on them meds, dog. And them say, me not give you my strength, bro. And it's an issue. I'm there Jamaica, dog. If me there foreign, bro, it would have different. I wish me they have a fucking visa. I could have, would have done pay for my plane ticket already. Believe me, no man. Would have done pay for my plane ticket already, dog. I'm there foreign, I shake on the hand, I hug no. I make a hear what I have to say about my content. I hear what I have to say about the work what I been a put in at Jamaica and the work what I both for put in at foreign. I'm not. Oh yeah, say man. But yes, still Tavii there, so I play a victim, bro. Me not play no fucking victim when me there, so I got you it, bro. Me there so hungry, dog. My baby mother call me and tell me, say, me you not have this and you not have that, bro. And me, I have to just I make sacrifices, bro. Like money when me would I use to pay my rent, me have to use to make sure something you good. You know? But yes, still me are the bad guy. You know them way there. That's why I always a pressure people for just shoot. My supporters them, I always a pressure on them for just shoot. Because me there Jamaica fucked up. Me there Jamaica fucked up. Me not got Taboo. Me not got Dream Weekend. Me not got none of them places. Me not depend none of them things there because me know so the whole of them are hypocrite. Me know. Me there Jamaica fucked up, dog. Fucked up. You hear me I tell you? Now the guys say I don't know what to do. Them can kill me at any point. What will I do? Una go wait till when me dead for say rest in peace, Kyng Tavii. Alright then. When me dead, make we see what I go on, bro. Cause my life no mean nothing to you, right? Come on, man. I may talk when me I feel, bro. Because me there Jamaica charge it, and them pussy will hold on my thing that had it. What? Them don't have control over none of the content them we produce. I only have control over it. If anybody for have control over it, I'm a supporters them where support me for continue to do what me I do. Them don't have no control over it. And if that is the fucking issue, if that are the fucking issue them want to see it dead, then me put your name on a parchment paper. So don't be surprised if you see my name on a parchment paper. That's why I get up every day and I try to strive. I try to prove them wrong and beat them, whichever devil I try me. I know, I'm conscious. I know I'm not feel the same. All of a sudden, I just dark, you fuck. Somebody try something with me, or somebody really fuck with my misery this way. I don't know what way now. I want if people fall in my life and fuck with me. But I reach the point where I reach right now. And I not look far for no corporate. I not look far for none of them to help me. I'm a supporters them I look far to help me. The same people them who watch me, for me forget, millions of fucking views. I same people them I look forward for help me for come out of Jamaica. That's why every day I'm so fucking grimy. And whatever the fuck you want to say, if you feel like say me I enough, if you feel like say I saw it for set, then so be it, bro. Me I got through it. It's either you're fucking there for me throughout this bumbo class so I can get myself out, or you just go on with everybody else and think what everybody else I think. But the day I go forward, my good eye, I go say blood clot, I did wrong. I did wrong. All Tavii did need to do is just for reach where him for reach. And that are Paris. That's all. That's all. Me no care who no want chat to me after this, dog. If you don't want call my fucking phone, no problem. If you don't want talk to me after this and you feel like say I'm a bad representation to you or whatever fucking brand you have, no fucking problem. But me I got you it and you need to understand say, yo, charge it. Bro, I'm tired of fuck. I'm really fucking tired. I'm reach a point where I read like everybody forgot suck them mama. Every eater forgot suck them mama. As some feel now. And just understand that. I may drink. And this is the result. Honesty. I'm angry. And I feel like I gonna drop out left for now. But just understand, say, una set me up for drop out, cool. But just understand, say, even if me drop out, una not gonna make my youth suffer. Because my legacy are last. And my baby mother gonna have a password to me. Pussy. And still have bumbuckler royalties for give me you, for make sure some me youth not hungry. Kill me now. So the whole of can feel like piece of shits on the haters. Eh? Bumbuckler. Or somebody Mr. Tavii transform and just what? Mr. Tavii just drink with him life and just dead, so you know. Bumbuckler when I feel fuck up for the rest of my life. And not my problem that me done gone already. Me not give a fuck. When me gone, me not give a fuck. What did they? Consciousness? Which blood clot consciousness? Eh? You think me I gonna give a fuck? Eh? Me don't do what me have to do. Eh? Me not stop doing what me I do. I just one of them thing there. Yeah. When I go get to one here, when I go get my fucking debt. Hope that make you happy for the rest of the fucking life. I'm hoping righteous for the rest of the fucking life. You hear that? Yeah, man. I'm hoping righteous for the rest of the fucking life. Yeah, man. When I get to the death on Kyng Tavii. Put down the drinking. Go suck your mother. Fuck that. You hear that? Pussy. You're gonna see me drop out. And when you see it, you're gonna say rest in peace, Kyng Tavii. Pussy wall. I'm hope that make you feel good.